This video is covering duplicate invoices, how to handle that, what to do. So let's just say here there's an invoice for $1,000 and it's already been paid, taken care of, but the client duplicated it unknowingly. So I'm going to create another one for 1,000. Okay. So, or 1,080. The tax won't let me, won't let me get rid of that without going back in. Okay, so let's just say that it's a duplicate though of another invoice. We know it's a duplicate. Created the same day, same product, that type of thing. Or the clients let us know it's a duplicate. So what we can do is create a credit memo. And we want to create the credit memo probably for the same date, at least end of the month. I suppose if you're doing a whole year at once, it'd be for the year. And product, same as the invoice or close as you can get if you're doing a number at once. Amount would need to match. I know this is going to automatically add the tax, I think, even if I don't want to. So it's probably going to make it 1080. Okay, so there we go. The credit memo is created. There's the invoice. The only thing we need to do next is receive the payment. And we just want to have it applied just to that invoice with that credit memo. Save and close. And you can see paid, credit memo applied, payments closed. One other thing to look at is it in the accounts and settings, advanced, automatically apply credits here. If that is turned on, it'll automatically apply the credit as soon as you create it. Problem with that is it's going to apply it at the current date, and you may or may not want that. No big deal. You can just go in and edit the date. That's something to be aware of, that could be turned on. So there you go. That's how to deal with duplicate invoices.